See you like Emily.
Very good, sir. This man is very interesting. Yeah, I've seen some other people were interested in it in such a friendly way.
Oh man. I mean, most of these people are on your side. You make them feel uncomfortable. What is your income?
Well, I'm seeking compliance with the law. That's all I want.
Why? What is impact? There's a trade-off for everything.
Well, the quality of life for the citizens. You know, for example, when I come in to do what I came in to do was to do a public records request today. The Seattle Police Department revised its official policy for their officers on April 1st, 2019. I'm just requesting what changes were made to the official policy. That's it. I submitted a form that's in compliance with the law written in the request, and I'm just simply testing to see if they're going to be lawful or if they're going to make unlawful requests. So they make, I think, 4 unlawful requests is me at the window. That's unfortunate, but it's normal because what happens is everybody comes up in here and they say, hey, suppose you want to get a public record because something happened to you, right? Suppose something happened to you and you get a court. You come in here, you say, I want to get this public record. They say, okay, you need to give me A, B, C, and D. Okay? You're just going to give it to them because you don't really know. It's just that everyone automatically waives their rights. The position when you interact with authority is to waive your rights on command or on request. And all I'm doing is not waiving my rights here in the lobby. That's it.
It needs to be written to
Yeah.
a sixth grade level, not.
That's a really great point, man. I wish I hadn't given her my copy of the law because, the thing that I brought in to present to them, I dumbed it way down so they can understand it. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Just so there's no confusion. I'm not saying they're dumb, but just so there's no confusion about what it is. You can't put everything in.
It just depends on where you are. The police came in my home and told me I couldn't run my videotape. Really?
That's
If they did or they did.
that wasn't.
They told me that I could not videotape someone else inside my home. Really?
That's insane. That's another whole level of insanity.
Yeah, that's flat out wrong.
Well, what happens is it starts with this. This is the public law. Anybody can go and peacefully assert their civil rights. And, they start with doing it here. They start saying, you can't have cameras here. You can't have cameras pointing at us on the street, right? This officer, I don't know if you noticed, but when we first got here, he went into the office and he told the records ladies and who was around, he said, this is a public place, they have the right to be here. Did you catch that?
I saw him go in.
He de-escalated things right away.
I didn't hear what he said, but yeah, I saw him. And there were a couple of other officers that came in and out, and they gave me a hard look, and he said, yeah.